Step out of the car. Dude, I'm not going anywhere. Step out of the car right now. Yeah, just keep trying him on the PA.
Driver, inside of the Charger. Exit the vehicle with your hands up. You are not free to go.
Hey, come here. Okay, I don't care. We're on a traffic stop. Y'all get back right now. Get back. Go away. Step back, dude. Come back here. Just walk back. You're not.
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
Okay, walk back. Walk back.
Why you stop me? Why you stop me?
2622,
Tell me
get
why
this
you
channel.
stop me. Hey, tell me why you stop me. Tell
Get
me why
back.
You stop me. What's your reason to stop me?
Show us your hands right now. Show us.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen.
What's your reason to stop me?
Listen.
What's your reason to stop me? What's your reason to stop
Okay.
me? Why did you stop me?
You ran a stop sign.
Why did you fucking stop me?
You ran a stop sign. Chill out, bro.
No, bitch.
Chill out.
Why did you stop me?
Chill out.
Don't. Why did you stop me? Hey, why did you put me over?
We get a couple more units now.
Put me over. Hey, tell him what's the reason to put me over.
We're 10-4. His family's just
I
trying
wasn't
to
just
approach
reading
us.
nothing. I don't just
Hey.
reading nothing. He was waiting for me to leave breakfast.
Hey,
What you fucking waiting on me?
stand up, walk towards
No,
us.
you don't shoot. You don't shoot already.
We're not gonna shoot you.
Fuck no.
We're not gonna shoot you. Okay, if he would comply, this would go a lot smoother.
Hey, look, what the fuck? What the fuck? What
Hey,
the fuck?
hey.
What the fuck?
Hey.
Look at the fucking gun you got. What the fuck?
Dude, we just need you to listen to us.
Fuck you.
We need you to stand up. Dude, we need you to stand up and walk back towards our vehicle.
No, fuck no.
Hey, dude, just listen to us. Okay. Hey. Okay. Hey, dude. Hey, dude, just stand up. Stand up, man. Stand up.
Nah, I ain't gonna fucking shoot me. Put your guns down. Put your guns down.
Hey, dude,
I'm scared.
okay, all we need you to do, hey, all we need you to do is to stand up. Stand up. Hey, dude, Weston, is there anyone else in the vehicle that you can see?
Which vehicle was it?
The Charger?
I can't see. I can't tell.
Okay. Okay, hey, all we need him to do is, no,
Hey, ma'am?
we're not leaving. Okay. Hey, we're on a traffic stop. We just need him to comply so we can talk to him, and then that's it. Okay, we're done. We're done. Hey, man.
Just don't go over there. Don't go
Hey, man. Do not go over there.
Stay where you are. Do not go over there. Don't go over there, sir. Sir. Stay
Do not go over there. Hey, we just need you to walk over here, dude. Stand up, walk over here. Come on, my side, Blanford. Hey, stand up.
Just approach. Let's just approach.
That's what I'm saying. I'm trying to make sure we got enough units, bro.
Let's go. Come on. Go.
Watch the vehicle.
I got hands. What's the vehicle?
Granny.
Hands
I just want my granny. I
Okay,
don't want
back
nothing.
up.
Just my granny.
Back up.
Please.
Back up.
Okay, please don't touch her. Y'all, she is 90 years old.
Okay.
Please.
Hey, everyone, back up right now. Back up. trying to get him into custody. We're trying to get him into custody. Back up right now. Okay.
You guys, we need to do that. You guys, we need to do that.
I'm gonna help her up. That way we can get her up, okay?
Well, help me then. Do something. You just fucking sitting there, bro.
My daddy.
Ma'am, I'm trying to help you up. How are we gonna do that?
I'm gonna help you up.
I'm trying to help you up.
She can't walk without her phone. Be gentle.
I'm being gentle. I'm holding her up.
Let my child alone. Let my child alone. Let my child alone. Let my child
Hey, get that guy.
He's fucking, he ain't even got nothing on him. Calm down.
Let my child alone.
Okay.
Let my child alone.
I just want to make sure I have your weapons on first. Okay, let's get him up and move on.
Get her on.
I can move, y'all let me. I can move.
Okay.
They won't even let me move. I said I can walk, I just didn't want to move. I can move, they let me, bro. But I'm not even resisting.
Okay, just get in the car.
What the fuck, bro?
What's your name, man?
My name is Todd, bro.
You have an ID on you?
It's in the car.
Quit moving, dude.
I'm trying to move that pocket so beginners.
It's this pocket?
The other one. It's this one.
Okay.
Can you just put my pants up on me, bro?
Just hang tight. Sit in here. Sit in here. Move your feet. Move your feet.
I got it.
Can I get her phone? Can you stop yanking me? I will walk you.
Hey, can I speak to the sergeant or something, bro? Why?
You want to speak to my
Hey,
sergeant?
I want to speak to the sergeant, somebody. I want to speak to the lieutenant. Hey, I want to
Chill,
speak
chill
to
out.
whoever
All right,
had
we're
you.
not talking. We're not talking.
Because these guys going to jail?
For interference, but you won't take him right now. I haven't ran him. 26.200 run.
Alright. They're the ones that made the stop. I just showed up and... Okay. Everybody's... They're going? For zero? Yes.